Hi, and welcome to Computer Science Principles Aligned Integration of Modeling and Simulation, or CSP Aims online course. My name's Irene Lee. I'm the Director of the Learning Lab at Santa Fe Institute. This professional development workshop was designed to prepare you to integrate rich computational thinking experiences in modeling and simulation into your AP Computer Science Principles course. The online course is based off of a National Science Foundation funded Computing Education for the 21st Century project called New Mexico Computer Science for All. We have an amazing group of course instructors and facilitators, including Maureen Sala-Dombrowski. Maureen, can you wave? And we have facilitators Elisa Cundiff, Lauren Curry, and Melody Hageman with us tonight. We'd like to thank our sponsors, Google, Computer Science for High School, the Tides Foundation, and the National Science Foundation. And now I'm going to turn it over to Maureen, and thank you very, very much for joining our course.
Hi, everyone. I'm the Program Manager for CSP Aims and New Mexico Computer Science for All. In the New Mexico Computer Science for All program, we developed a very successful curriculum to teach computer science through modeling and simulation. We found this approach to be appealing to a wide range of students, and we've taken the key components of this curriculum to create this 6-week-long CSP Aims workshop for you and the corresponding 4-week-long student module. The student module can be included into any AP Computer Science Principles class or any other computer science class for that matter. For those of you who are planning to offer AP CSP, this module will help students meet the Essential Knowledge Skills 2.3 in the AP CSP framework. For all of your students, we feel that it is important to expose students to modeling and simulation because of its wide use in a variety of areas. As Irene mentioned, we have 3 of our CSP Aims facilitators with us here who are also New Mexico Computer Science for All teachers. And they will talk to you about their experience teaching modeling and simulation to computer science students. Take it away.
Hi, this is Elisa Cundiff, and I'm at Las Cruces High School. And we're just really excited to share with you why it's been so beneficial for our students to teach computer science using modeling and simulation. One of the great things is since students are programming projects that are essentially computational science experiments, the results are very tangible, which makes very, very great correlations. And it also makes it easy for students to debug and recognize what's going on with their code. NetLogo has a great visualization tool, and a lot of these models build off previous knowledge that students have. For example, an ecosystem model, which allows students to see very quickly and draw connections between their prior knowledge.
And I'm Melody Hageman. I teach at Centennial High School in Las Cruces, New Mexico. And I'll just piggyback off of what Elisa said. This program really scaffolds the learning from science, and because students have prior knowledge in whatever they're learning, whether it's the spread of disease or ecosystems, it really enables them to recognize errors in their code and understand when something is not working the way it's supposed to. Whereas in a normal programming class, sometimes that's a little bit more challenging to recognize without running a lot of tests. And on top of that, it provides the ability to run a lot of experiments really quickly and efficiently, and they can get results that they wouldn't otherwise be able to get, like running large-scale experiments with multiple trials and repetitions that you wouldn't have time to do or the resources to do in the real world.
Hi, I'm Lauren Curry. I work at Las Cruces High School as well with Elisa, and I'm a computer science teacher. I just want to emphasize again that the visualization in NetLogo absolutely cannot be beat. The interface that the children code in is very, very visual, and it gives them an exact idea of what their agents are doing. NetLogo provides for easy programming of complex adaptive systems, and also the ability to observe it. There are no real math requirements for students to be able to program in NetLogo, which is great for some of our students who are a little bit of underachievers in that subject. The ability to code behaviors for hundreds of thousands of agents at once really helps students out. Like Melody was saying, they can run many, many experiments in a short amount of time and gather results from those experiments, and they would not be able to do that in the real world. They also have built-in cross-curricular concepts and connections, especially in math and science. Very heavy emphasis on Boolean expressions and the ability to recognize and, or, and not Booleans. Most of the projects that are programmed through NetLogo are project-based learning projects with a emphasis on solving real-world problems. So it takes a very philanthropic view of different issues that students will see in their lifetime.
Thank you very much, Elisa, Lauren, and Melody. And thank you for joining us. Please make sure to complete the Google pre-survey and the CSP Aims pre-assessment as soon as you can. And if you're having any trouble, please contact your facilitator. Again, thank you for coming, and I hope you join us again in a big group hangout in the future. Bye.